What's a common among all the top online marketers? Russell Brunson, Ty Lopez, Alex Becker, Ezra Firestone, Anik Singhal, Anthony Morrison, Mari Smith. Do you know? Webinars. Yes, webinars. Every top marketer runs them, and I'm sure you've attended some of them. For some of them, it's responsible for 90% of their revenue, and they run webinars all day, every day. And it's easy to see why every top marketer uses webinars to sell online. It builds instant trust. It establishes you as an authority. It boosts your engagement. It's pretty much the only way to sell high-ticket products and generate a lot more leads and sales. Simply said, if you want to move up the ladder in your internet marketing, then it's important you incorporate webinars in your online business. But did you really think that all those webinars you watched were 100% live, with the host sitting all day on his computer sweating his butt out? I mean, did you really think that Ty Lopez was up all day running, and this is a guy that his webinars run 24/7, making him bucket loads of cash while he's sipping pina coladas with some Instagram model? Listen, he's automated the holy hell out of that webinar with a unique technology. Live-like simulation, and until now, that has been technology reserved for the elite marketers. In fact, to get access to a reliable platform that can run these type of webinars for you cost over $500 per month, with some of them even costing as much as $1,000 per month. But all that ends today. Presenting HQ Webinar, the first ever automated webinar platform that allows you to run unlimited live-like webinars using pre-recorded presentations with unlimited attendees and zero monthly fees. Yes, no more high monthly fees. We've broken the jinx. It doesn't just run automated webinars. You can also use it for live workshops, conferences, and streaming events. How crazy is that? And if you're wondering how is that possible, will this hold up? Then let me blow your mind. HQ Webinar is built with the same powerful technology that powers crypto blockchain, Slack, Skype, and Facebook Messenger platforms. We have a decentralized system that ensures the fastest video streaming and zero latency, so no matter how many people are watching your automated webinar, it smoothly streams to hundreds, thousands, or even 50,000 people in any corner of the world. Listen, HQ Webinar is so reliable that many hospitals are already using it. What you're seeing here on this picture is a consultant doctor of Book Healthcare supervising an ongoing surgery using HQ Webinar platform. If the medical community of bookhealth.care can rely on HQ Webinar in critical life and death situation, imagine the power of this platform. And you can set it up in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Click on Create a Webinar. Step 2. Select time and date. Step 3. Enter name and description. Step 4. Share registration link with your audience. Step 5. Start selling on live webinars or live like Autopilot webinars even while you sleep. Best part, your webinars will run smoothly without any lag or delay. Because we know you like building funnels with your webinars, we loaded in over 50 high-converting webinar registration, thank you, and replay pages into this platform, and you can even set up a complete webinar email funnel with our system. So everything works together like clockwork to make you money. Also, here's another cool thing we've done. Your webinar's attendees don't need to download and install any software just to attend your webinar. That's a very outdated technology. With HQ Webinar, your attendees can attend webinars live with their browser. Nothing to download or install. And so much stuff that it does for you, which by the time you're through with this page, you'll see all of our amazing features and a demonstration video of the platform to show you how it all works. But above all, you'll no longer have to pay huge monthly fees. For just a low one-time fee, you can get access to HQ Webinar platform today and begin using it to grow your business. And for a limited time special deal available only in this launch week, we have included free commercial license. HQ Webinar is covered with our rock-solid 180 days money-back guarantee, which means if it doesn't live up to every claim on this page, just get in touch for a prompt refund. That's how easy it is for you. Not 30 days, not 60 days. Yes, a solid 180 days guarantee. That's how much trust we have in this software. We made it 100% risk-free for you. So go ahead and order HQ Webinar for the low one-time fee before the price goes up.